So today topic exhaust gas analysis. So it consists of three flasks A, B, C and iodometer tube, rubber tube and aspirator bottle. The C flask, B flask, A flask. It's connected with the rubber tube. Aspirator bottle. This is the rubber tube. This in closed condition. This is a valve. C, B, A. This is a D. With the help of RSET apparatus, an analysis of carried out determine the constituents of exhaust gases. It consists of a graduated measuring glass under three flasks A, B, C, each containing the different chemical for observing the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and oxygen. Aspirator bottle containing the water is connected to the bottom of the glass tube by rubber tube. The flask A contains NaOH and it is used for observing the carbon dioxide in the sample of the exhaust gas. The flask B contains NaOH and pyrochloric acid. It is used the sample of the exhaust gas. The flask B contains NaOH and pyrochloric acid. It is used observing the oxygen in the sample of the exhaust gas. The flask C contains a solution for observing the oxygen in the sample of the exhaust gas. The flask C contains a solution of a chloric in HCl. It observes a carbon monoxide from the sample of the exhaust gas. Each flask stopcock A, B, C respectively, and a three-way cock D, which can be opened to either exhaust gas or atmosphere. The sample of exhaust gas is sucked into the iodometer tube and its volume is noted. It can take usually 100 centimeters of gas by manipulating the level of aspirator bottle. The exhaust gas can be forced into either of your flask A, B, C by opening the respective cocks A, B and C. The exhaust gas is left there are some time and then sucked back into the iodometer tube. The chemicals in the three flasks observe the carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, and the resulting concentration in volume enables the percentage of each gas present in the sample to be read on the iodometer tube. Since the exhaust gas is collected over water in the tube, therefore any steam present in it will be collected. Similarly, the sulfur dioxide present in it will be observed. Hence, the percentage of exhaust gas are obtained by RSET apparatus.